In this short video, I will explain the difference in the MetaTrader 5 trading accounts offered by EPFX. Knowing the difference between each will help you select the proper account type to suit your strategies and trading style. EPFX currently offers 3 account types for MetaTrader 5. Our 3 accounts are the raw spread account, the zero commission account, and the hybrid account. The raw spread account is exactly that. Enjoy trading on truly raw spreads with no markup, and you pay a static commission fee for each asset type. You can find a breakdown of these fees by visiting our website. This account type is especially great for scalpers or traders using expert advisors, as you will be able to, in most cases, enter the market exactly where current price is and instantly be in profits. Our zero commission account is also exactly that. This account type has a small markup on spreads with absolutely no commission fees. This account type is especially beneficial for traders that like to intraday or swing trade, allowing them to keep their cost per trade as low as possible. The final account type for MetaTrader 5 is our hybrid account. The hybrid account is a combination of our raw spread account and our zero commission account, giving you the best of both worlds. Enjoy trading on low spreads with a small static commission. This account type is also our most popular trading account. When selecting a trading account, you must survey your preference and trading style. For example, if you like raw spreads and don't mind static commissions, opt for the raw spread account. If you dislike paying commission, go with our zero commission account. If you don't mind a small commission and still want almost raw spreads, take up our hybrid account. We have created multiple account types so we are able to accommodate traders with any preference and trading style. I hope this video helps you better understand the difference in our MetaTrader 5 account types. Be sure to also watch our video that breaks down our C Trader accounts. Thanks for watching.